of Karnataka, as well as the chief guest of today's function, Shri M. Chelvaraya Swami Sir, on behalf of US Bangalore and IAC. Thanks to the dignitaries for felicitating our Honorable Minister of Agriculture. I next call upon Dr. U.S. Gautam, Honorable DDG Agricultural Extension, ICR New Delhi, and the President of IAC New Delhi to present the concluding remarks of the seminar. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. On the behalf of Indian Society of Extension Education, University of Agriculture Science, Bangalore, sir, I welcome our Honorable Agriculture Minister, Government of Karnataka, Chelvaraya Swamiji, Sri Ashok Dalai, Sri Yogendra Kumar ji, IFCO, Dr. Shorappa ji, Worthy Vice Chancellor, Dr. Suresha, Dev Srilingam, of the dais, Director ICR Institute, Director Extension Education, other dignity of the university, delegates from different states coming from this place, staff of this university, and ladies and gentlemen. As you know, last 3 days we are working here. Sir, especially we chosen this place because under your leadership already the second Directorate of the Secondary Agriculture Development started from Karnataka. And sir, this Indian Society of Extension Education completed 60 years. So yesterday on 22nd June, we celebrated 60th birthday of that society. And I think this is the oldest society in the country. Second important thing, sir, total 25 states represented this. So I think this is a kind of seminar. We break the all record. 450 oral presentation, 25 lead paper presentation, 36 poster presentations, and 2 keynote address. One of our Sri Ashok Dalai ji is giving a lot of clear the concept about secondary agriculture. So these are the things our achievement for last 3 days. Our society also encouraging to young professor, young student, then associate professor, those are working in the field of agriculture extension. Because as you know, sir, teaching, research and extension, these are the 3 important work of the universities. For extension in research, extension in teaching, this society have to take responsibility to promote, to award, to recognize all these work done by our young scientists and other scientists. So we are providing 35 awards in different category and including 10 ISC fellow. Those are having more than 10 years in this subject. They submit their report, they submit their biodata, they submit their pro forma, and on the basis of committee will recommend, and then today with your blessing they are going to be received 35 awards under this program, these programs. We have received 750 abstracts. Generally 300, 400 abstracts we are receiving. So when at the time of inauguration, our MOS, Government of India, they told this is very bulky. Then I told, no madam, this is a kind of compilation of work of 750 scientists all over the country. Those who are sending their recommendation in these programs. So this is the strength of the society. Definitely, sir, secondary agriculture playing very important role. Nowadays we think about, and I get honor to Ashok Dalai, sir. He is publishing that doubling the farmer's income volume, 14 volume, and every volume have some kind of recommendations. And I request all of our scientists here kindly go through that recommendation. Yesterday, sir, we have discussed with Dr. P. Das, and he told how we can use of that voluminous document. So we also requested, sir, our scientists, because Indian Council of Agriculture Research have a corpus fund for the extension research. So they are submitting their project to through our Indian Society of Extension Education. That is a kind of recognition of our Indian Society of Extension Education. Sir, few recommendation I think read by our member Dr. Raju, sir. But definitely, sir, we are have 10 themes, sir. So every theme have 10 to 15 recommendations. Out of that, we are come with 10 to 15 most important recommendations. So that recommendation, some of recommendation from the Karnataka state-wise, some recommendation from the national level. So that recommendation we are going to submit Honorable Agriculture Minister Shri Narendra Tomar ji for the accept and kind that provide to the Department of Agriculture and ICR for implementation of some of the important recommendations. On 21, sir, we have also discussed with the Krishi Vigyan Kendra of Karnataka. Because on 21, there is a 3-day meeting of the zonal meeting in the Krishi Vigyan Kendra. And I want to request, sir, two things, because our Atari Director, Dr. Venkat Subramanian here, and we have discussed, sir, we have 48 Krishi Vigyan Kendra in Karnataka, and we have three states, 48 Krishi Vigyan Kendra, and about Karnataka, we have 33 Krishi Vigyan Kendra, sir. But most of the post of Krishi Vigyan Kendra in the technical and supporting staff, sir, is still in bucket. And our agriculture minister taking very serious note, sir, because without post we are not going to complete the KVK. We have 6 scientists, 1 head KVK. They are always busy with their scientific job. So there is a lot of work for the financial, lot of work. While we have 20 hectare, the KVK have 20 hectare land for demonstrate the technology. If they are not, they are supporting to our scientists. So, sir, kindly I request, we got 100% funding by the ICR. So, just I give one example. In Uttar Pradesh, sir, we requested to the Chief Minister, and they allow to they given power to the Vice Chancellor to take appointment, because there is no any permission taken from the state, because 100% funded by the Government of India, ICR. So kindly, sir, kindly take it note, sir, please, so that our post should be filled up. Second point is very important, sir, because all KVK work under leadership of the Directorate of Extension. And I have discussed with our Atari directors. Sir, this is a very important post. There is a 10-year post for 3 years, somewhere 5 years post. But most of the university, they have, at the age of the retirement, they are taking over charge of the director extensions for 5 months only. So they are not delivering their actual performance. So kindly I request, sir, to fill up the post of the director extension regular basis. If not regular basis, at least minimum 3 years. So that they can deliver something in the mandated activities of the Krishi Vigyan Kendra. So these two things, sir, I request to you, sir, and I hope Dr. Suresha is very dynamic and very energetic man. He has KVK and he is man of extension education. He understands about the importance of the director extension and importance of the vacant post in the Krishi Vigyan Kendra. So once again, on the behalf of Indian Society of Extension Education and Indian Council of Agriculture Research, I especially thanks to sir for sparing your time, valuable time to address this gathering, and also to be facilitate, to be honored, to be provide award to our awardee of Indian Society of Extension. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your gracious words. The past 3 days, we have witnessed several remarkable seminars and presentations. And now, it is the time to felicitate the achievers, and I request the dignitaries to give away the prizes to the winners. And I invite Arif and Denichwa to read the names of the winners.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now we will be presenting ICE awards. The first award is Dr. G.S. Vidyarthi Memorial Award. This award goes to Dr. Y.N. Shivlingaya, Professor and Head, Department of Agriculture Extension, UAS Bangalore. He has obtained his BSc, MSc and PhD degree from the same department, as also serving as the Professor, IFCO Chair of UAS Bangalore. He has served as Assistant Professor of College of Horticulture, Mudigere, Program Coordinator, KVK Konehalli, Tumkur. He has guided 15 MSc and 7 PhD students. He has operated on project of establishment of climate smart agriculture village in southern districts of Karnataka. He has received University Best Teacher Award, Sri Giriyappa Gowda Best Extension Worker Award, Dr. R. Dwarkinath Best Extension Professional Award. Thank you.
I next call upon the receiver of Dr. K.N. Singh Memorial Award, Dr. Shishil S. Doli. He is the present Professor and Head Department of Agricultural Extension, UAS Dharwad, from where he has obtained his MSc and PhD degree. He has obtained his postdoctoral training from McGill University, Canada, and specialized in rural livelihood system, natural resource management, entrepreneurship development, and ICTs in agriculture. He has worked in several projects like Danida Watershed Development Project, World Bank funded community-based management project, and handled 3 projects as principal investigator. Currently, he is working on NASF project on expert system 2023-26.
The next award is Dr. O.P. Dhama Memorial Award. The award goes to Dr. Souvik Ghosh, Professor and former HOD, Agriculture Extension, Vishwa Bharati University, Sriniketan, West Bengal. He has worked as visiting scientist, South Dakota State University, USA, scientist and senior scientist at IACR, IAWM, Bhubaneswar. His notable contributions include development of innovative extension models, concepts and methodologies for scaling up of water productivity in agriculture. He has guided 6 PhD and 17 MSc students and held 8 research projects as principal investigator and 22 projects as co-PI, and coordinated 20 national level trainings and farmers training. Thank you.
Now I will announce the recipient of Dr. Y.P. Singh Memorial Award. This award is honored to Dr. Basawa Prabhu Jirli, Director, Center for Multidisciplinary Developmental Research, ICSSR, Ministry of Education, Government of India. He has completed his graduation and post-graduation from UAS Bangalore and PhD from NDRI Kannur. With more than 22 years of experience in teaching and research, he has published more than 70 research papers, 5 edited volumes of proceedings and 5 books. Currently, he is serving as an editor in Journal of Global Communicator and course instructor for massive open online courses at Academic Platform.
The next category of award is IASE Fellow Award. This award is going to as per zone. In the central zone, the award goes to Dr. Bhanu P. Mishra, Professor and Head, Agriculture Extension, Banda Agriculture University and Technology, Uttar Pradesh. And from the eastern zone, the award goes to Dr. M.L. Meena, Senior Scientist and Head, KVK, Turkey, Muzaffarpur, Bihar. And in the north zone, the award goes to Dr. K. Ravishankar, Principal Scientist, Agriculture Extension and Scientist in Charge, Transfer of Technology Section, ICR, Krida, Hyderabad. And the next one is Dr. Venkata Kumar, Principal Scientist and Nodal Officer from South Zone. And from the West Zone, Dr. J.B. Patel, Professor and Head, Department of Agriculture Extension, Anand Agriculture University. And then from same zone, Dr. B.L. Manjunath, Scientist, Senior Scale, Division of Transfer of Technology and Training, Jodhpur, Rajasthan.
I next call upon the recipient of Young Scientist Award from each zone.
Dr. B. Venkata Kumar, Principal Scientist and Nodal Officer, Attic Division of Social Sciences and Training, ICR, Indian Institute of Horticulture Research. Dr. Radharatna Birada, Principal Scientist and Officer in Charge, ICAR, IGFRI, Dharwad. Dr. Nagaratna Birada, Principal Scientist and Officer in Charge, ICR, IGFRI, Dharwad, Karnataka. And the West, and Dr. J.B. Patel, Professor and Head, Anand Agriculture University. Dr. B.L. Manjunath, Senior Scientist, Division of Transfer of Technology and Training, ICAR, Central Arid Zone Research Institute, Jodhpur, Rajasthan.
I next call upon the receiver of Young Scientist Award from each zone. From Central Zone, Dr. Kamini Bez, Assistant Professor, Department of Extension Education, College of Agriculture, JNKVB, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Dr. Kamini Beach, Assistant Professor, Department of Extension Education. From Eastern Zone, Dr. Aparna Roy, Scientist, ICAR, Central Inland Fisheries Research Institute, Barakpur, Kolkata. Dr. Leviton, Senior Scientist, Agricultural Extension, ICAR, National Institute of Biotic Stress Management, Baranda, Raipur. From North Zones, Dr. Sanjay Mehti, Senior Scientist, Division of Dairy Extension, National Dairy Research Institute, Karnal, Haryana.
Dr. R. Vini Kumar, Assistant Professor of Agricultural Extension, Project Planning Monitoring Cell, GKVK, Bengaluru. From South Zone, I would like to call upon Dr. Itigi Prabhakar, Assistant Professor and Consultant, Center of Excellence for Farmers Producer Organization, Bagalkot, GKVK, Bengaluru. Dr. Itigi Prabhakar, Assistant Professor and Consultant, Center of Excellence for Farmers Producer Organization, UAHS, Bagalkot, GKVK, Bengaluru. And the next one is Dr. V. Jyoti, Assistant Professor, Department of Agricultural Extension, Agricultural College, Bapatala, Andhra Pradesh. From Western Zone, I would like to call upon Dr. C.M. Savita, Associate Professor, Department of Agricultural Extension, College of Agriculture, US, GKVK, Bengaluru. And Dr. H.M. Vinaya Kumar, Assistant Professor, Agricultural Extension, KSNU AHS, Sringeri, Karnataka.
Thank you, sir. The award ceremony will continue later.
A wholehearted thanks to our Honorable Minister of Agriculture for sparing his valuable time and attending this session. Thank you so much, sir. Due to his busy schedule, the Honorable Minister of Agriculture would be leaving shortly. So I would like to extend a wholehearted thanks to our Honorable Minister of Agriculture for sparing his valuable time and attending this session. Thank you so much, sir. Now the award session will continue.
The next category of award is the Best KVK Scientist Award. In each zone, 2 persons are being awarded. From the Central Zone, Dr. S.K. Badodia, Principal Scientist, Agriculture Extension, KVK, Barwani, Madhya Pradesh. And the next award, in the same zone, the award goes to Dr. Rajiv Kumar Singh, KVK, Krishi Anusandhan Kendra, Khandwa Road, Kharbone. Dr. S.K. Badodia, Principal Scientist, Agriculture Extension, KVK, Barwani, Madhya Pradesh. And in the same zone, the award goes to Dr. Rajiv Kumar Singh, KVK, Krishi Anusandhan Kendra, Khandwa Road, Khargone. Dr. Rajiv Kumar Singh, KVK, Khargone. And in the Eastern Zone, the award goes to Dr. Ritesh Dubey, Subject Matter Specialist, Agriculture Extension, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Chakeshwari Farm, Godda, Jharkhand. And in the same zone, the award goes to Dr. Rahul Kumar Singh, Subject Matter Specialist, Agriculture Extension, KVK, Kallipur, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Dr. Ritesh Dubey, Subject Matter Specialist, Agriculture Extension, KVK, Chakeshwari Farm, Godda, Jharkhand. And in the same zone, Dr. Rahul Kumar Singh, Subject Matter Specialist, Agriculture Extension, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Kallipur, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. And in the North Zone, Dr. Mandeep Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Extension Education and Communication Management, Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. Dr. Mandeep Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Extension Education and Communication Management, PAU, Ludhiana. And the next award goes to Dr. Shiva Shantanu Singh, Professor Entomology and Head Entomology at Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Almora, Uttarakhand. Dr. Shiva Shantanu Singh, Professor and Head Entomology, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Almora, Uttarakhand. Dr. Shiva Shantanu Singh. And the next award in Zone goes to Dr. Noor Jahan, aka Hanif, Associate Professor, Agriculture Extension, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, ICAR, KVK, Rudachalam, Tamil Nadu. The South Zone, the award goes to Dr. Noor Jahan, aka Hanif, Associate Professor, Agriculture Extension, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, ICAR, KVK, Rudachalam, Tamil Nadu. And in the West Zone, the award goes to Dr. J.B. Dobaria, Senior Scientist and Head, KVK, Navsari Agriculture University, Gujarat. In the West Zone, the award goes to Dr. J.B. Dobaria, Senior Scientist and Head, Navsari Agriculture University, Gujarat. And the same zone, the award goes to Dr. Upesh Kumar, Senior Scientist and Head, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, KVK, Patan, Gujarat. Dr. Upesh Kumar, Senior Scientist and Head, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, KVK, Patan, Gujarat. Dr. Upesh Kumar, Senior Scientist and Head.
Next, we will be presenting the best oral presentation, poster presentation, as well as the best exhibition stall. So in this 3-day seminar, 236 participants have been participated in oral presentation under 10 different teams, of which 2 best presentations have been selected as the winner. Under team 1, I would like to call upon the winners, the first winner, that is Jeshlim Kaur Sidhu. Second winner is shared by CS Kalimani and Azano Rizzo. Under team 2, the first prize goes to Amitava Panja. And the second prize is shared by Reba Jacob and Ramya HR. I request all the winners to kindly come forward and receive the award. Team 2, Amitava Panja. Amitava Panja. Reba Jacob, Ramya HR. Under team 3, the first prize goes to Chaitra NR and second is Ramya HR. On the team 4, the first prize goes to Vishwanath H. Reba Jacob. Ramya HR. Chaitra NR. Second, Ramya HR. On the team 4, the first prize is Vishwanath H. Chaitra NR. Vishwanath H. Second prize on the team 4 is Aditya Kanade. Aditya Kanade. On the team 5, the first winner is Sandeep GP and second is Sajiv MV. Sanjeev GP. Sajiv MV. On the team 6, the first prize goes to Amitava Panja and second prize goes to Rajesh CM. Amitava Panja, Rajesh CM. Rajesh CM. On the team 7, the first prize goes to Dr. D.A. Nityashri and the second prize goes to Dr. S.S. Dolly. Dr. D.A. Nityashri. Dr. S.S. Dolly. On the team A, the first prize goes to Bindu Raja Shekhar and the second prize goes to P. Vaishnavi. Bindu Raja Shekhar, P. Vaishnavi, on the team 9, the first prize goes to Somesh Acharya and second prize goes to Kiran Kumar Patil. Somesh Acharya, Kiran Kumar Patil, on the team 10, the first prize goes to M.D. Chalapati Rao and second goes to Sagar S. Pujal. M.D.V. Chalapati Rao, Sagar S. Pujar,
Similarly, in the past 2 days of the seminar, 27 posters are presented. Among these, 5 posters are awarded as best poster. And in this category, the first prize goes to Vangchutula Langchar, abstract number 645. And the first prize goes to Vangchutula Langchar, abstract number 645. Vangchutula Langchar. And the second prize goes to Mallikarjun B.O., abstract number 682. And second best poster goes to Mallikarjun B.O., abstract number 682. Mallikarjun B.O. And the third prize goes to Vishwanath H., abstract number 743. The third prize goes to Vishwanath H., abstract number 743. Vishwanath H. And the fourth prize goes to Parveshwar Nayak J., abstract number 041. The fourth prize goes to Parmeshwar Nayak J., abstract number 041. Parmeshwar Nayak J. And the fifth prize goes to S. Nandita K., abstract number 158. X. Nandita K., abstract number 158.
Now I will be announcing the best exhibition stall. So 30 exhibition stalls have participated in this national seminar, out of which 5 stalls are chosen as the best stall. The first prize goes to ICAR KVK Kerala Lakshadweep. ICAR KVK Kerala Lakshadweep. Second prize goes to ICAR Atavi Zone 5 Orissa, West Bengal. ICAR Atavi Zone 5 Orissa, West Bengal. The third prize goes to ICAR KVK US Bengaluru, Karnataka. ICAR KVK UAS Bengaluru, Karnataka. The fourth prize goes to ICAR NGO KVK, Karnataka. ICAR KVK US Bengaluru. And then ICAR NGO KVK Karnataka. ICAR NGO KVK Karnataka. The next one is Nutrio Nourish to Flourish, Kapek, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Nutrio Nourish to Flourish, Kapek, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Nutrio Nourish to Flourish, Kapek, Bengaluru, Karnataka.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks to all the respected dignitaries for giving away the prizes to the winners, and I also wholeheartedly thank Arif and Denichwa for reading out the winners list.
I cordially invite Dr. S.V. Suresha, Vice Chancellor, University of Agriculture Sciences, Bangalore, and the President of today's function to render the presidential address on this occasion.
Respected CEO, Government of India, Dr. Ashok Dalwai sir, Deputy Director General ICR, Dr. Gautam, the office bearers of Indian Society of Extension Education and ISCE Karnataka chapter, and more importantly, the delegate friends across the country for this ISCE National Seminar. Really, the University of Agriculture Science is very happy to see such a big response to the call of ISCE Indian chapter and also Karnataka chapter for this national seminar. And we were thrilled after seeing the number of abstracts and the number of registered participants in this program. And it is first of its kind where we could able to elicit such a big response from all our extension faculty across the country. And at the same time, probably it is the enthusiasm of the extension faculty plus the theme which we have selected for this conference, that is on secondary agriculture, and also the personalities whom we have invited for this, like a pioneer, an originator of secondary agriculture, Dr. Ashok Dalwai sir. There are so many added factors, and we could able to conduct this program in a befitting manner, I feel. And also, such a eminent personalities giving the keynote address in main session as well as in concurrent sessions has enriched our knowledge on different themes of secondary agriculture. And also, the abstracts and the oral presentations. This time we have taken a decision that we need to give more time to the participants for their presentation, and we need to learn from their presentation, and we have to derive something out of their presentation for the promotion of secondary agriculture. That was the decision we have taken, and I hope we could able to fulfill the demand of the participants that they were given sufficient time for their presentation. And at the same time, I am sorry, we might have exceeded little bit of time in the middle of these seminars, but it is bound to happen in any of the cases, maybe for many reasons. But still, the seminar I feel, and based on the opinion of many participants, could able to get through its objective of conducting this program. And it is possible just because of the cooperation of the Indian Society of Extension Education, more so by Dr. Gautam, who was with us since 3 days, and he struggled hard with us, and he managed the show with the University of Agricultural Sciences, and nothing to say about Dr. Ishwarappa. Probably by this time you people might have observed his enthusiasm, the speed with which he used to work, and also taking the things to its logical end. And you have seen our Honorable Minister for Agriculture emphasized more on the secondary agriculture, how income can be generated, how employment generation could be possible with this secondary agriculture. And at the same time, Dr. Gautam raised an issue of filling up of the posts of KVKs. Though they are 100% funded by ICR and no burden on the state exchequer. But at the same time, I am very happy to announce you on this stage that the Honorable Minister for Agriculture readily agreed for the request of Dr. Gautam and my oral discussion. He said immediately the measures will be taken to fill up all the vacant posts of the KVK and AICRPs, which will be funded by Government of India and without any financial burden to the Government of Karnataka. This is also one of the result of this seminar, where we could able to get such a big response from our Honorable Minister, and also the recommendations what Dr. Nataraj presented before the audience. It needs serious consideration by both the policy makers at the state and national level, and as scientists we need to take most of these recommendations to the people who the fruits of this seminar reaches the required and the purpose for which we have started. And at the same time, I am very delighted to see the participation of all the participants, the delegates across the country, and the discipline with which they have cooperated with the organizers of this national seminar. And with this, I hope the people are taking back sweet memories of UAS Bangalore, which has hosted this event in association with ISE. And if there are any lapses, as a presiding officer of this today's program, let me apologize with all of you, and in the days to come, kindly send your feedback, give your suggestions for the improvement of these seminars. And also I congratulate the Indian Society of Extension Education on this occasion for completing its 60th year of anniversary. So with this, also I am thankful to IFCO, who made this today's valedictory. Normally the inaugural will be very colorful and the valedictory will be little bit dull. But at least with the help of IFCO, we could able to make even the valedictory program more colorful with the drones flying in our lawns of the Rajendra Prasad Convention Hall, and the vehicles what we have launched for custom hiring services with the farmers probably will help us to take the secondary agriculture by making, or even the drone technology will generate employment for the unemployed youth of the rural areas. With these good memories, let me take this occasion to thank all the delegates of this conference, and also the keynote address, the keynote speakers, and also the participants. Thank you.
Wholehearted thanks to you, sir.
Now there is one more award to be given away. I request Denichwa to read out the award. Under the oral presentation, Team 5, the second prize was shared by Sajeev Enri and Avinash DG. Now I call upon Avinash DG to kindly come forward and receive the award. Avinash DG. Thank you. As we reach the last leg of today's session, I cordially invite Dr. Y.N. Shivlingaya, Organizing Secretary of the IACE National Seminar, to impart the vote of thanks as a mark of gratitude and the closure of today's occasion. Over to you, sir.
Respected dignitaries, esteemed speakers, honored guests and fellow participants, sponsors, exhibitors and students. On behalf of UAS Bangalore and IACE New Delhi, I stand before you to propose a heartfelt vote of thanks for this remarkable national seminar. First and foremost, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to our Honorable Agriculture Minister, Sri N. Chilvarayaswamy, Government of Karnataka, who graced this occasion. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Dr. U.S. Gautam, DDG Extension and President IACE New Delhi for his constant advice, support and guidance in conducting this seminar. At this stage, again I thank IACE New Delhi for selecting or considering US Bangalore for conducting the National Seminar 22-23. My sincere thanks to Dr. Ashok M. Dalwai sir for spending his valuable time with the delegates. Sir, your speech has been an inspiration to all of us. Sri Yogendra Kumar, Marketing Director, IFCO, New Delhi, was instrumental in planning flag-off ceremony of agriculture drone spray services for the farmers of Karnataka. Sir, on behalf of US Bangalore and IACE New Delhi, my heartfelt thanks to you, sir, for gracing the occasion. My heartfelt thanks to Dr. S.V. Suresha, Honorable Vice Chancellor, US Bangalore, for giving me a responsibility to organize this seminar with necessary guidance. I thank Dr. G. Ishwarappa, President, for his support in order to organize this seminar in a befitting manner. We, US Bangalore, thanks all the distinguished lead speakers, presenters, who have taken the time to share their valuable insights and research findings with us. Sir, your presentations have been thought-provoking, informative, and added immense value to our understanding of the subject. Our heartfelt thanks to the chairman, co-chairman, committee members of various committees for their meticulous planning and execution of this event. I personally thank all the officers of the university for their support and advice. I thank all the former vice chancellors, former director of extension, former registrars, all former administrative officers for their presence. We would also like to acknowledge the contribution of all the technical staff of the university, non-technical staff, volunteers, particularly my students, the exhibitors, who worked hard to ensure the smooth functioning of this seminar. We thank all the sponsors, which includes government institutions, private institutions, for their support, which includes material and as well as financial support. We are grateful to all the participants who have attended the seminar from various parts of the country. We thank media persons, which includes electronic and print media, for their support at various stages. And I also thankful to our PG and UG students for their hard work. And in conclusion, I would like to once again express our sincere thanks to each and every one of you being a part of this national seminar. University wishes safe and happy journey to all. Thank you one and all, and may the spirit of learning and collaboration continues to guide our paths. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the vote of thanks.
I request all the dignitaries and participants to stand up for the national anthem as a mark of honoring our country.